Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show system information directly on your desktop of Windows 11 or 10. For this, all you need to download a freeware app that is known as O&O Desk Info. That link you can find in this video description. Once download it, just double click on this installer. It is a portable software, that means there is no need to install it. Once you double click on this one software, you will see system information will appear on the right top corner of your screen. Here you can see username, machine name, operating system version, build, install date, processor, RAM, system type, network adapter, etc. IP version 4, IP version 6, etc. You can find it here. In case you want to customize it, click on this one upper icon, and in the system tray right click on this one icon that is for O&O desk info, and here you can customize it according to your needs. You can set here information delete, full, default, minimum, drives only. Like this you can check and set more details or less details. On your desktop you can change the position. You can set it to the top, right, bottom, left and bottom right. Like this you can set here several things according to your needs. You can also copy system info that is available on your desktop by clicking on this one, copy info to the clipboard in case you want to share with someone else. Like this you can use this one software. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.